Hi dear friend, welcome to another video of learning Tazhib. I will teach you sketching one more Khafaee motifs today. For sketching it simply, we can use a pentagon shape, then we divide it into 3 parts horizontally and 2 parts vertically. Then the center of our flower is right here. And now we can add on to them and have some more different petals here. Now we can have one big petal on top of it. This is the biggest petal of this flower. And some smaller ones at this part. Let's see another sample. Actually, for beginning, we need these pentagons, but after practicing a lot, your eyes and your hands will learn how to sketch the flowers in great shape, and you will not need to sketch this pentagon every time. Here we can have some smaller petals instead of one big petal at top of the flower. And another sample for you. We can have different forms of petals here. Keep in mind that motifs are not generally that big in Tazhib, but for the sake of this video and since I want you to see all of the details, I am sketching them bigger using the maximum pressure of the pencil. So keep the flowers small and use a pencil with minimum pressure for practicing, please. And another sample for you. As you all know, practice makes perfect. And the good news is, you can share your sketches with me. I will include my email address in the description portion of this video. Please make sure you write Learning Tazhib as the title of your email so I can see and correct them for you. And this one is another kind of butterfly flower. And instead of one big petal, we will add lots of petals at top of it. right here. Look at these small petals here. When we add some color, they will be so beautiful. And we can add some decorations inside the petals. In the traditional artworks, we can find this kind of butterfly flower as well. It is very simple and beautiful and small, like this one. Bye for now, and I will see you on the next videos.